1, 2, 3, action. Green Country Baits is back again. We got a spray session for you. We're going to be remaking the pre-rapala Pink Flamingo on a pre-wrap wart. Sound like a cool pattern? Come on, let's go spray some paint. Okay, for the remake of the Pink Flamingo, we've got a pre-rapala body here. Now originally this come out in the prism, which had a little flash plate inside, and it may have came out the other way, but that's the way I've seen it. Again, this is a phantom pattern, fairly easy to do. We're gonna lay down our main color, which is our pink. I've got a fluorescent hot pink. One of these days I'm going to try on this pattern for myself, but I'm trying to match this as close as I can to the original. And so we're going to stick with just our transparent pink. Or actually, this is a This is a fluorescent pink, but not hot pink. So once again, a fairly easy pattern. Most of these phantom patterns are. You can do them fairly quickly. This particular customer on this order wanted 3 or 4 different ones, so you guys are going to get to see it. So this still got the stamp on the bill. We'll leave that intact, and next up, we will come with our belly color. This one will take a few layers. All these fluorescents, you just have to kind of slowly build them. Once that dries, it almost disappears. And one more should do it. Yeah, I like that. The only other colors that go into this is we're going to use a transparent, or you could use an opaque yellow for these eyes. Do a little brush clean out. Pretty much got all 5 of my brushes dirtied up today. Painting lots of patterns. It's always a good thing. We've got a lot of custom orders coming in. It's February. This video probably won't be posted until later, but this is typically the time everybody's getting geared up for fishing season. So with that comes an influx of custom baits. Reduce that pressure just a little bit. We're going to use our handy tool that we use on most of our wiggle wart eyes. And again, if you want to make this process quicker, spray a little white down and then roll with the yellow. But third coat should make it just perfect. Now we need to add a little black to the pupil, and come on, getting low. God, are you kidding me? God. Ah, stuck to it and just drug right down the side. We'll fix that up with a little Q-tip. When you make mistakes, you got to fix it up. So we'll touch that eye back up a little bit. And I'll clean that up just a little bit more down there with the Q-tip. And here we have the Pink Flamingo, folks. What do you think of this one? Bright. Don't knock pink, man. I'm going to tell you what. Clear water situations. I've used pink spinnerbait quite a bit. And this little bad boy here, particular times of year, does really well. And smallmouth seem to gravitate to it. I don't know if it's the pink and the bright yellow, but the pre-wrap Pink Flamingo. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share, subscribe, and by all means leave comments. Let me know what you think. Until next week, Green Country Baits signing out.